So I'd like to do a test on the Honda EU3000IS generator. I did this test once before, but the compressor was almost full. So I'd like to try to run this MAKITA MAC 2400 series 2.5 horsepower electric air compressor, and I'd like to try it and switch it to eco mode to see if it will fail, just like it just did on the electric heater that I just tried to run in my previous video. So I'll bring it on over here. I can see if I can squeeze everything in. My garage isn't very big. Let's see if I can get it all. I think I'm going to try it in eco mode right from the beginning. The compressor is, I keep it drained, I don't keep any air in it, so. It is on 0. No air, no nothing. Got it plugged in directly. So, let's give it a try. I'll fire up the generator on full mode, and then I'll switch it over. So it does it with ease on a 2.5 horsepower electric motor, okay? So why I couldn't run this heater a few minutes ago in eco mode is beyond me. But so there you have it. This Honda EU3000IS generator will run this 2.5 horsepower compressor in eco mode, which is pretty impressive. Now I know this MAKITA does have a softer start than an average, compressor. And This generator is impressive, really. So, it'll run a lot of things. It's a lot louder on the camera than it really is. This thing's really quiet. So thanks for looking.